In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We want to remove this cover. We're going to use an 8mm socket. Remove these two bolts in the front. Then on each side, there's two bolts. I'm going to take those out. Same 8mm socket. And grab the cover, and it slides right out. Now with this flipped over, you can unclip the cabin filter. Just push the tabs in, and it just slides right out. There's a couple of tabs. You're going to slide those tabs in first. Just have it tipped up a little bit. Push that in. Then it's going to clip in. Have that clip in. That looks good. Flip it over. Line this up over the air ducts. Get the screws started. With all the screws in, then we can snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.